Borgonia.
Yo.
To Resilio. Resilio floater. And at 2 points by Resilio in favor of Reyes Farm. Resilio. 15 seconds to shoot. To Resilio. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And at 2 points. Gracia. Resilio to the Gracia, and it's a 3 points by number 5, Resilio. Pass to Borgonia, and it's a 3 points by Aparisi. Drive, and it's a 2 points by Mighty Warriors. Resilio, pass to Borgonia for 3 points. Borgonia. Pass to Borgonia for 3. And 3 points by Borgonia. It's a second personal foul by Philippines. A 1 point. And 2 points by Rico Alvarado. And it's a 2 points by Di Gracia. Pass to Omar. And it's a 2 points by Omar. Borgonia to Di Gracia. Jumper. And it's a 2 points by Di Gracia. Pass to Borgonia. Jumper. No. Rebound by Alvarado. And 2 points by number 91. And 2 points by number 5. A 1 point. And a 2 points to Aparisi. And it's a 2 points by Aparisi. A 1 point by number 91 to Resilio. And it's a 2 points by Resilio. Mighty Warriors. A 2 points by number 19. And it's a 2 points by number 27. Gracia for 2 points. Borgonia drive. And it's a 2 points by Borgonia. Score. And 2 points by Di Gracia. Score 55-60. A 1 point by number 27. Di Gracia jumper. And it's a 2 points by Di Gracia. And it's a 2 points by Omar. Di Gracia jumper. And a 2 points by Di Gracia. Gracia jumper. It's a 2 points by Di Gracia. To Di Gracia. Di Gracia jumper. And it's a 2 points by Omar drive. And it's a 2 points by Omar. Omar drive. And it's a 2 points by Omar. To Di Gracia jumper. And it's 2 points by Di Gracia. 10 seconds to shoot. And 2 points by Di Gracia. Rebound by Lara. No good again. Lara Nasad. And 2 points by number 19. Resilio to Aparisi. To Resilio for 3 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds remain time. Aparisi for 3 points. Pass to Di Gracia to Aparisi. A 2 points by Aparisi.